Hey Steve, see what time it is? This is what we're doing at the moment. Recognise this. Took the front off your car. And this is the walk round we're going to give you. Take a look at that baby. Well, that's a special car. Look at the wheels and the shine. This is the bit you want to see. The interior. These carpets are wool. And brand new. He's made a stunning job of this. New seats, all leather. That's a smart interior. So what we've got here is we've taken the front off your car, as you know. Oh, by the way, there's my baby. Look at that for an engine. As I said to you before, if you're taking it to Goodwood or somewhere like that, it's really got to look like this. In fact, I'll tell you what, let's see if I can show you. We've changed every nut and bolt, every tube leaflet, every pipe, 4 new pipes, nice shiny header tank, nice shiny top rails and rain shield. See your carburetor shining. I'll explain a little bit more about that when I speak to you. You have a very beautiful, beautiful car. That's a lot of hard work we've put into there. All your master cylinders. Coil, your amplifier. We're going to do things like, well, we've got the chance now, we're going to do things like this. See this little baby here, it needs to be cleaned and rubbed down and painted. So we're going to do that, as well as doing this here. So I hope you like that. The interior and your car. It's a beautiful car, Steve. It's polished up like brand new. It's come up lovely. There's a driver's seat. Just beautiful. Funny thing is, the more time we have to do it, the better it gets. So although this has turned out to be what you probably think is a bit of a downer, this is going to work out very well, because here's the inside of your bonnet. I've painted up beautifully. Shiny, shiny, shiny. That's the inside of the bonnet. It looks stunning. Look at that. Just beautiful. It's come up really nice on the inside. But then we discovered this. So this section here is underneath your bonnet. Not the bit that we were doing in here. The underneath of your bonnet. So this section here is all hidden normally. You don't see under here. And when we came to polishing it, giving it a good rub down and make sure it was okay, we found this. It's under all this nasty, nasty underseal, and it's rotten. It would be a shame to send it back the way it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix that up. But it's looking absolutely beautiful. The whole thing's come up absolutely amazing. It's a shame that we have to take the damn bonnet back off again, but never mind. It gives us a chance to show you what you've got, and I hope you like it. Okay, Steve?